right, guys, today we're doing word problems, and Michelle is going to take over this one. All right, guys, grab your notebooks. Let's get into it.
Hi, everybody. Today we're going to be doing another word problem. So this is what it says first. It's hard to open. Michelle loves to watch for birds when she visits her aunt in Jamaica. On Tuesday, they saw 4 screaming-tailed hummingbirds, 2 Jamaican woodpeckers, and 3 cuckoo birds. How many in all did Michelle and her auntie see? Okay. So she saw 4. I'm going to start with the big number. 4 plus 2. And then plus again. And 3.
Oh, that's backwards.
Oh. 3, 4 plus 2, 6, and then 6 plus 3, 9.
Good. Hope it's big enough for everybody to see. Okay, so describe what you did.
I added the 4 with the 2 to make 6. Because if you smush that together, that's 6. And then if you add another 3 to that 6, that'll give you a 9.
Good.
So,
okay,
yeah.
So where did you get these numbers from? Stand over to the side. Where did you get these numbers from?
From the word problem.
Okay, so where did you get the 4 from? So they saw what?
4 streamer-tailed hummingbirds.
Good. So then you put the 4 there. Okay.
And then 2 Jamaican woodpeckers.
Okay.
So I put the 2 there. And then 3 cuckoo birds.
What in the problem told you to add? What suggested you to add in this word problem? What clue words?
Because they said and.
Okay, not just and, but what else? And all, right? So how many birds in all did Michelle and Auntie see? So whenever we see a combination of words like in all, that means we're going to add, okay? How many birds in all? That means in total and combinations, so we want to add up those numbers, okay? All right, very good. Okay, so your total, so how many birds did they see in total?
9.
Or in all?
9.
9, very good. All righty, good job, babe. Okay, let's take another look at another word problem. All right, Michelle, let's see if you can do this one here. Go ahead and read the problem.
Adara's grandmother bought 5 mangoes, 7 bananas, and 3 sticks of sugar cane. How many things to eat did Adara grandmother buy?
Okay, so what are the things you need to do? I want you to use the black one.
Okay.
Because the red one don't show up as well on the camera.
Okay.
Okay.
So 5 plus 3. So let's add 5 plus 3. Okay. 3. That equals.
Oh, okay, I think you forgot something.
What?
Read the problem again.
Adara grandma.
Maybe if anything you can underline since you don't see the actual numerical number and they're in word form, maybe you can go ahead and underline everywhere where there is a number. Okay, so let's read the first thing. So go ahead and read the first sentence.
Adara's grandmother bought 5.
Okay, so what's the first number that we hear?
5.
5. Okay, so I'm going to underline that. Okay. Continue.
Mangoes, 7 bananas, and 3 sticks of sugar cane.
Okay, so what other numbers did you hear in the problem?
7 and 3.
Okay, good. So 7. Let's underline that so we know that that's a key word. 3. Okay. Okay, and then what is the problem asking us to do?
Okay, add it.
Okay. It's asking us to add, right? We don't want to keep putting our back to the camera. So how many things to eat did Adar's grandmother buy? So again, how many
This is so hard to open.
is showing what?
Okay.
That we want to do what operation?
This is hard to open.
That we want to add.
And then this other one will work. Ah, thank you.
Okay, how many shows that we want to add? So what things are we going to be adding?
So first, the 5,
Mm-hmm.
7. Let me think about what's 5 to 7. Oh. So that make, if we add 1 with the 5, that will make the 7 turn into a 6. And then the 5 turn into the 6. So, and then we add 3. So, it's 9 things. Like our not last problem.
Nope, that's incorrect, baby.
That is.
So think about it. So we want to add up all of these things together, right? So we have 5 plus 7 and plus what? I want you to write it all out. I want you to write it all out based off of the problem. Okay? So go ahead and write that out. So 5. So you're writing the number 5. Okay, plus, what's the next number that we heard? What's the next number I have underlined? Tell me a lot. 7. Okay, and then what's the next number I have underlined?
3.
3. Okay, so we're going to show that as well. Okay, now you're going to add up all of these numbers there to get our total. So we can be able to find out how many things to eat did Adar's grandmother buy in total. So how many things in total did she buy?
Oh shit.
One way to help you too, you can add the small numbers first if it's easier to add the small numbers and then add the larger number at the end. Nope, you can keep that written just the same if you want.
I was gonna do it the smaller way. Like
Okay, all right, that's fine.
Okay, so 3 plus 5, 8, and then plus 7. 8 plus 7.
What's 8 and 8?
8 and 8. 16.
Right, so just take away 1 from that.
15.
Yeah, that's one way you can do math in your head quickly is if you know your doubles already, if you know what 8 and 8 is, 16, and you know we're not asking for another 8 right there, we're asking for 7, just take away 1. So when you have problems like that might be a little bit, those 8s and 7s and 9s tend to get a lot of kids like tripped up. Just remember your doubles. 9 and 9 is 18, right? So if I was to say take away 1, or if I was to say 9 plus 8, that would be 17. So it's things like that you can, little tricks in your head that you can remember, especially if you know your doubles. Okay? All right, very good. So how many things did her grandmother buy in all to eat?
15.
15 things. Very good.
And my favorite fruit is mango. So I'll definitely eat all the mangoes.
All right. Until next time, keep solving, keep shining, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.